What's up, everybody? This is Hudson on Base with Chess Homes Unlimited, Chess Homes Realty. Just wanted to show you guys my routine that I used for changing my mindset, for changing my thought pattern and how I approached trying to become a millionaire and just getting rich and things like that, and also investing in real estate, how I changed what I do for a living, basically how I changed my whole career. One of the things that I had to do was I had to turn off the radio in my car.
I don't like for you to put my business out like that. So you wouldn't like it if I put your business out like that. You wouldn't like it. You wouldn't like it.
But however, I want to ask you, do you see yourself being open to being like a side piece?
Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me?
A lot of people spend a lot of time in their cars, and listening to music is not a good way to change your mindset. Yes, it might be calming, it might, soothe you, it might calm you down, might make your trip even faster, which is good. But what I did to change my mindset was I had to put on my phone and put YouTube on through my system, through the Bluetooth, and I watched YouTube videos for a lot of gurus who were doing what it was that I wanted to do.
Hey, welcome back, Grant Cardone in the Cardone Zone. Real estate investing made simple. Every Monday's reserved for real estate. I want to get you in the game.
So one of the big things that I did was I turned the radio off. I literally had to turn the radio off, and I put on YouTube. I put it on one of these little mirror clips right here, and I would watch YouTube on all of the gurus that were doing what it was that I wanted to do. So this is what I do when I'm riding in my car. Anytime I get in my car, I do not turn on the radio. I put on YouTube, and I'm watching YouTube videos consistently. Why? Number one, because it's free. All right, so I don't have to pay somebody for some type of seminar, some type of class, something like that. Number two, I spend the majority of the time in my car driving or traveling from house to house, location to location, looking for deals, looking at deals, having meetings. So while I'm riding to this meeting, I could be watching something inspirational and or motivational on my YouTube channel. And that's what I do. I watch these videos and things like that, and it helps greatly to change my mindset. So again, you gotta get out of watching or listening to the radio. Stop listening to this crap on the radio stations and all of the talk radio and what Steve Harvey's doing and Strawberry Letter, if they're even still doing that, I don't know. But my point is, you gotta get out of the white noise. Stop listening to all of this mess that's going on the radio and Ricky Smiley's show and who did what with who and who's got this dropping and what drama went on over the weekend, and start to listen to stuff that will change your mindset, that's positive, that's inspirational, that's motivational, that's trying to get you to wherever you're trying to get to, okay? That's what you need to do. So that's my recommendation for today, guys. Listen to something positive and inspirational in your car. Hook it up through the Bluetooth in your car so that it's coming through your whole car. Get off the phone. If you're on the phone talking to your friends can wait till you get home, or whatever it is that's going on can wait till later. You got to find some time to motivate yourself though, okay? So once again, this is Hudson on Base with Chess Homes Unlimited. This is what I do to try to motivate myself in real estate, and this is how I have actually been able to change my career to real estate from being a full-time musician, and also start several other companies as well. Again, this is what I do. Make sure you get in the car, connect your phone to your Bluetooth system in your car, turn that radio off, and just listen to people who are talking about whatever you're trying to be involved in. That's it. That's the secret. And you got to do that daily. It's all about conditioning. You really got to get into a position where you're conditioning yourself to do this as a routine. It's got to become second nature, like something you don't even think about doing. I've been doing this for the last probably 4 years or so, maybe 4 or 5 years or so. So right now, I don't even think about it when I do it. It's just natural that I get in my car. I don't want to talk to anybody. I'm not trying to be on the phone talking to this person and that person. I literally just get in my car and plug up my phone, turn on YouTube to Ben Mallah, Jerry Norton, Mark Ferguson, Motivation, Grant Cardone, whoever it is I'm listening to or want to listen to for that time, that's what I do, okay? So once again, I'm heading into my my office for a meeting so we can sit and talk through what the strategy is for our marketing plan and accumulating more properties. So this is Hudson on Base, guys. I thank you guys for listening and staying with me. And I'm showing you guys step by step how I'm literally getting rich doing real estate. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that bell so you can get notifications of new videos that I post and things like that for inspiration on how to change your lifestyle